Alright, hello guys, welcome to another video, my fishing video. And today we're gonna do the mystery tackle box slam. So what it is I subscribe to mystery tackle box and they send me one of the box every month. Let's see what's inside this box. So we have, let's see, LV 300 Lucky Crab, which is this lipless crankbait right here. Let me open it up. A lot of rattle. Good bait for fall fishing. Alright, next we have a Magnum casting jig, which is this one right here. So, black and neon green. Good color for fall fishing as well. Next one we have an ultimate worm. Green pumpkin color, which is this color right here. Also good for fall fishing. And last, we have a Jerky J Kicker plastic, which is a little swim bait right here. So I'm thinking I'm gonna tie this to a drop shot, maybe. We'll see. And last we have a sickle hook, dead grip hook. This is sample for 2. So my goal today is to catch at least 1 fish on each of the lure they give me. Let's see how it goes. Now I'll tie up my Alright, so all set. I'm tied this. I'm gonna start with the liftless crankbait, because that's my favorite lures. I believe we can catch some fish with this. Then we're gonna go to the jig. I add a little trailer, crawfish imitation trailer right here. I never caught a fish on a jig, I know. So if you guys know any tip on catching fish on a jig, please put it in comment below. And I have this on a drop shot. So let's go fishing. Alright, so we're at the pond near Joe Peleg again, and let me start off with the JV 300 lipless crankbait. I believe we can catch some fish with this. Alright, let's give it a try. Again, my goal is to catch a fish on every single one of the lures. So we'll see how it goes. And sorry for the wind noise, guys. Apparently I bought a mic for this GoPro, and for some reason it doesn't work. So I'm gonna order a new one soon. Oh, no way. Oh, yes. I got a fish. I got a fish. Yes. Yes, on the lipless crankbait. Stay on. Ooh. Yes, sir. Fall bass. Yes. You don't want to get hooked with this Trevor hook. This fish just swipe at it. It's a fish. 1 bait down. Let's go. Alright, let's get the release on this fish right here. Yes, sir. So we're gonna move to the other side. I'm sorry, the wind is just blowing. This spot looked good. So let's try a drop shot here. So for all my fishing friends, if you haven't tried mystery tackle box, you should I would totally recommend it. They have coupons for the first subscription, and you can try. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, okay, I lost it. But you can try, subscribe, and they will send you a box every month with a lot of lures, different lures, so you can try it out. Totally worth the money. The box is only $15. MTB Pro is a little more, so it's $25, and they give you more than what you pay for the box. Like this box right here, the total cost will be like $20-something, where I only pay about $15 for the box per month. So totally worth it. I will put the link of the MTB box now in the description. So just try it out. My first ever jig fish. You know? No white. Yes, sir. Yes. First fish on a jig. Yes. My first ever fish on a jig. Come on. Oh, okay. Yeah. My first ever fish on a jig. Yes. Woo. 2 bait down, 2 more to go. All right, let's go. They're out there. Woo. Sweet. Come on. Got him. Oh no. No. Oh my God. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Come on, come on, come on. Get right back there. There was a fish. There was a fish. Come on. Come on. Where are you at? Come back for it. Come back for it. No. I lost my fish. What the? Unnecessary. Man. Alright, here's the other side. Come on. There's a lot of people fishing here. So, let's hope if I can get some fish with this. That's my 3rd fish. That's not good. Oh, got it. Got it. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. I got him. Come on. Yes! Yes, sir. Yes. Woo! Oh, just great. Ah. Yes, caught this baby on the shad. Yeah. One more bait to go. Woo! There's a family fishing. Oh, what the hell? Uh-oh. Is that a fish? Yes! Oh, last fish of the day. Last fish of the day. Ooh. Last fish of the day. Last fish of the day. Yes, sir! Woo! Yes! Yes! Woo! That'll feel great. Small one, but hey, it's a fish. Woo! Alright guys, so I just complete my first MTB slam, mystery tackle box slam. Got all the fish, each fish on each lures. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Peace.